Gamers and minimalists, rejoice! If you're searching for the best 60% keyboards of 2025, you're in the right place. First on our list is the incredible Geeky GK61 SE. Let's dive into what makes this compact keyboard a must-have. Geeky GK61 SE. The Geeky GK61 SE 60% Mechanical Gaming keyboard is the perfect choice for gamers, professionals, and minimalists seeking a compact, high-performance keyboard without sacrificing functionality. Featuring 61 keys in the ANSI US American layout, this sleek keyboard is designed to maximize desk space while delivering exceptional performance. Equipped with responsive mechanical switches, it provides precise tactile feedback for smooth and accurate typing or gaming, ensuring you never miss a keystroke. The fully customizable multicolor RGB LED backlighting lets you personalize your setup with vibrant lighting effects, creating a stunning visual experience that complements any style. Compatible with both PC and Mac, the GK61 SE offers seamless versatility for gaming, coding, or everyday productivity tasks. Its durable construction and minimalist design make it an ideal choice for those looking for style, performance, and portability in a single package. Whether you're enhancing your gaming rig or upgrading your workspace, the Geeky GK61 SE delivers unmatched value and functionality. OHY Retro 15x61 H61 Retro 60% Mechanical keyboard is a stylish and compact keyboard that combines retro aesthetics with modern functionality, making it a standout choice for PC and Mac gamers alike. This 61-key keyboard features a hot-swappable design, allowing you to easily customize or replace switches without soldering, perfect for enthusiasts who love to tailor their typing experience. Equipped with pre-lubed linear POM switches, it offers smooth keystrokes and a quiet yet satisfying response, ideal for gaming and extended typing sessions. The cherry profile PBT keycaps not only enhance durability, but also provide a comfortable and nostalgic typing feel, complementing its vintage-inspired design. With customizable RGB backlighting, you can create dynamic lighting effects to match your setup or mood, adding a modern touch to its retro vibe. Designed for portability and performance, the wired XVX H61 is a versatile, reliable, and visually stunning keyboard that's perfect for gamers, creatives, or anyone who values both functionality and style. KINESIS. The KINESIS Gaming TKO White mechanical keyboard is a feature-packed, high-performance 60% keyboard designed for gamers and professionals who demand precision and versatility. With tactile brown switches, this keyboard delivers a satisfying and responsive typing experience that's ideal for both gaming and everyday use. Its innovative split spacebar design allows for customizable key mapping, giving you more control and flexibility to tailor the keyboard to your preferences. The hot-swappable sockets make it easy to switch out switches without soldering, letting you create a personalized typing experience. Built for durability and performance, the TKO boasts a sleek white design with vibrant RGB backlighting, adding a modern and stylish touch to your setup. Compact and portable, this keyboard is perfect for maximizing desk space while providing all the essential features for competitive gaming and productivity. Whether you're gaming at home or on the go, the KINESIS Gaming TKO White Mechanical Keyboard combines cutting-edge functionality with minimalist aesthetics, making it a standout choice in the 60% keyboard category. Corsair K70 PRO MINI. Following that, the Corsair K70 PRO MINI Wireless RGB 60% Mechanical Gaming Keyboard is a compact powerhouse designed for competitive gamers and enthusiasts seeking top-tier performance and customization. Featuring Corsair's ultra-fast sub-1 millisecond wireless technology, this keyboard ensures lag-free responsiveness, making it one of the fastest in its class. Equipped with hot-swappable Cherry MX speed switches, it allows users to easily replace switches to suit their gaming or typing preferences, offering unparalleled versatility. The durable aluminum frame provides a premium build quality, while PBT double-shot keycaps deliver a textured, fade-resistant typing surface for enhanced durability and comfort. With customizable dynamic RGB lighting, you can create personalized lighting effects to match your gaming setup or aesthetic. Its compact 60% layout maximizes desk space without compromising functionality, and the keyboard supports multiple connectivity options, including wireless and wired modes. Designed in the QWERTY NA layout, the Corsair K70 PRO MINI wireless is the ultimate portable gaming keyboard, combining cutting-edge features, premium materials, and exceptional performance for gamers who demand the best. Mosptnspg. Finally, we have the Mosptnspg 60%. Mechanical gaming keyboard is a compact, high-performance keyboard designed to enhance your gaming and typing experience while saving desk space. Featuring a sleek and minimalist 60% layout, this keyboard delivers all the essential functionality in a portable, lightweight design, making it ideal for gamers and professionals on the go. Equipped with responsive mechanical switches, it ensures precise keystrokes and a satisfying tactile feel, perfect for fast-paced gaming or extended typing sessions. The vibrant RGB backlighting adds a customizable aesthetic, allowing you to create dynamic lighting effects to match your mood or gaming setup. Built with durability in mind, the Mosptnspg keyboard is constructed to withstand intense use, making it a reliable choice for daily performance. Whether you're gaming, working, or simply upgrading your workspace, this keyboard combines functionality, style, and portability in one versatile package. Thanks for watching our roundup of the best 60% keyboards for 2025. If you're looking to upgrade your gaming or work setup, these compact, high-performance keyboards offer the perfect mix of functionality, style, and portability. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below with your favorite pick, and stay tuned for more tech reviews and gear recommendations.